Cane, self-defense. Situational awareness is your first weapon. See the threat before it happens. Watch their body language, tone, and energy. Second, don't rely on the cane to be your only weapon. You have to be a weapon. Practice your basics, your empty hand basics. Now, if someone enters your personal space, it is important of how you're going to bring your cane up. We call this a back to front. Keep your palm open, your front lead hand palm, as the cane comes up. If you try to grab it this way, you could miss. Bring your palm is open, or your hand is open, you bring it up into that hand, and then you close it. From here, you don't wait once they enter your personal space. You use thrust into the solar plexus, into the throat, up into the face, into the groin. Don't ever cock it first. You create space, he's gonna grab you. That's reality. So practice the basics. Use that thrust, and then if necessary, follow up with a power swing. But never first.